So here's the tool that I use to create professional proposals. It's called cleanproposals.com. But you just click create proposal and we'll say we'll add a new prospect. So here's the company information. I'll fill that in. All right, got all that information filled in. Click next and name the proposal. We'll just say office cleaning. But what you can see that's kind of cool here is it works for residential and commercial. And then there's like 20 different building types to choose from. So we'll do office space and we'll just say regular cleaning twice a week, add proposal. And then the software loads all of the areas and cleaning tasks associated with that type of building. So if you want it in your proposal, you just click on it and click the hard floors there. And then you click on this button here, and then all the cleaning tasks associated with this area is there. So you can either edit everything and make it completely customizable, or if you don't want it in the proposal, just deselect it and it's not there. And then in step 2 here, they have projects that you can add. So like hot water, carpet cleaning, stripping and waxing floors, polishing stone floors, pressure washing, a bunch of stuff in here. So we'll just say windows for the whole building. Say once per year, and you add the project, and then they have a pretty powerful bidding calculator in here too. And what you can do is you can select different labor types if you need to, so you can do multiple rates of pay. So for example, you may have a custodian that's in there, just maybe one person, and they're making $15 an hour, 4 hours, twice a week. But then you also have, let's say, an inspector that goes in once a month, quality control, and that person is making $17 an hour, and they're doing 1 hour once a month for an inspection. So you can cost out different labor types. You can add additional expenses like cleaning supplies, which is kind of cool, and it gives you a monthly charge for that. And then you can add in your profit margin. So let's say you want to make 30% on this client. You're like, you know what? I think I can make more. I just want to make $500. So you can just put in $500, and then the software tells you what to charge to the client. And if you want to know what you're charging per square feet, you just enter your square footage, and it will tell you what you're charging per square foot, which is kind of cool. And then you can cost out your projects, which I like doing separate myself, is so that way I don't forget anything. Let's say 4 hours, and we'll do supplies again here. Let's say $25, and I want to make $250 on this. So add that expense, and then I'm going to combine both of those prices for the projects together into one monthly charge. And then in the last step here, we have 25 different themes that you can choose from, and you can add your own logo in there. It comes with the cover letter, a complete legal agreement that works in all 50 states. It's got e-signature in it. You can add additional documentation, so we'll just add that. And here what the scope of services looks like. And here are the additional documentations that I added. So it spits out a really professional proposal, and you can see it only took me a couple of minutes really to build out this quality commercial cleaning proposal. And here's what your projects look like. Software does almost everything for you, but if you want to change it, you can customize anything you want in here. So that is my helpful tip to the group. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's cleanproposals.com.